Okay, next. Here it is a negative integer. Negative integer means case 2 is the better one. Now, in this case, put x equal to t power k. Let x equal to t power k, where k is the LCM of denominators and 3 LCM is 3. LCM of 3 and 3. LCM of m and n, not only m and n, denominator of m and denominator of n. So, x equal to t power 3. Now, derivative with respect to x, dx equals to 3t square dt. 3t square dt. Now, integral x equals to t power 3 whole power minus 2 by 3 1 plus x, x is t power 3 whole power 2 by 3 whole power minus 1 dx equals to 3t square dt. Integral 3 cancel 1 by t square 1 plus t square whole power minus 1 3t square dt. Sorry, t square cancel out. 3 is a constant, bring outside. 3 times of integral 1 plus t square whole power minus 1 by 1 plus t square dt. Now, integral 1 by 1 plus x square tan inverse x plus c. Now, 3 times of tan inverse t plus c. 3 times of tan inverse t. What is t in terms of x? T equals cube root of x plus c. It is a final answer. Next problem, integral x power 2 by 3 into 1 plus x power 3 by 4 whole square dx. Here power is a natural number. P belongs to n. P belongs to n. Expand by binomial theorem, using binomial theorem. So here p is a negative integer, put x equal t power k. Power is a negative integer, put x equal t power k, where k is the LCM of m and n. Where m and n are integers, LCM of m and n. Where m and n are fractions, now where k is the LCM of denominator of m and n. Next. Case 3 and case 4, power of p belongs to fraction, 3 by 4 or 5 by 6, whatever, fraction. Here, power p belongs to fraction, we need to find out m plus 1 by n, m plus 1 by n, m plus 1 by n belongs to integer, case 3. N plus 1 by n does not belongs to integer, then adding plus p, m plus 1 by n plus p belongs to integer, then a plus b into x power n equal t power k into x power n. M plus 1 by n belongs to integer, then we put a into b plus x power n equal t power k. Very important point, where k is denominator of the p belongs to fraction, numerator available, denominator available. So where k is denominator of the p in this case also where k is the denominator of the p. So it is the power is a natural number, p belongs to n, expanded by binomial. So p plus q whole power n, nc0, p power 0, q power n minus 0 plus nc1, p power 1, q power n minus 1, nc2, p power 2, q power n minus 2 and so on, ncn, p power 0, p power n, q power 0, n minus 1 means that is 0. It is the binomial expansion. Okay. Integral x power 2 by 3, where n is 2. Very one important point, nc0 equal to ncn equal to 1. nc0 is 1, ncn also 1. Now x power 2 by 3, n is 2, 2c0, nc0, p power 0, 1 power in any number, 1. So 1 power 0, q power n minus 1, q is x power 3 by 4, whole power 2 minus 0, 2, plus nc1, 2c1, 1 power 1, now q power, what is q? 3, x power 3 by 4, whole power n minus 1, what is n minus 1? 1. plus 2c2 1 power 2 cube power x power 3 by 4 whole power 2 minus 2 is 0. This is the binomial expansion. So integral 2c0 is 1, 1 into 1 1. So this one is 2 ones are 2 twos are x power 2 by 3 into this one x power 3 by 2 plus 2c2 is 2 2 into x power 3 by 4 plus 2c2 1 1 into 1 1 1 x power 3 by 4 dx. Integral base are equal, power should be added, x power 2 by 3 plus 3 by 2 taking LCM 6, 2 3s sorry 3 2s are 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 2 3 3 is 9, 4 plus 9 13 by 6 plus 2 times of x power 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 4 taking LCM 12, 4 2s are 8, 9 8 plus 9 17 by 12. This one is 2 into x power 17 by 12 plus x power 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. This one 3 by 4, sorry, 3 by 4 whole square, this one, okay, it's a mistake. So whole square 3 by 2, right, this one is 3 by 4, this one also 3 by 4, right. Yeah, 2 minus 1, 1 minus 1, okay, this function is 0, sorry, 1 1 1. So any number power 0, any number power 0 is 1. 2 c 1 1 1 1. So it's only 1 x power 2 by 3 dx. Now x power integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1, x power 13 by 6 plus 1 means 19 by 6 by 19 by 6 plus 2 into x power 17 by 12 plus 1 29, 29 by 12 by 29 by 12 plus this value is 1, okay, x power 2 by 3 what x power 2 by 3, this one is x power 2 by 3 plus 1 5 by 3 by 5 by 3 plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral e power tan inverse x 1 plus x square by 1 plus x square dx. Okay, all the options in terms of tan inverse x and 1 plus x square. Can you observe derivative of tan inverse x available in denominator or multiplied by 1 plus x square? Yes or no? So tan inverse x, derivative of tan inverse x 1 by 1 plus x square available. Let tan inverse x be t, derivative with respect to x 1 by 1 plus x square dx equal to dt. Now e power tan inverse x t, so e power t 1 plus x, what is x here? Here x equal to tan t, 1 plus x tan t plus x square tan square t. Now dx by 1 plus x square equal to dt. Integral e power t tan t plus 1 plus tan square t secant square t dt. I hope you are understanding. Tan t plus 1 plus t 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Now it is like in the form of e power x, integral e power x f of x plus f dash x dx, e power f of x into c. Derivative of tan x, what is the derivative of tan theta? Secant square theta. This one is the function f, this one is f dash x. Now integral e power x f of x plus f dash x dx equal to e power x into f of x. Now e power t into f of x, what f of x? Tan t plus c. So e power, what is the t in terms of x? T equal to tan inverse x, e power tan inverse x, tan of t, t is tan inverse x plus c. Tan of tan inverse x, this value is x. Now x into e power tan inverse x plus c. This is the final answer. X into e power tan inverse x plus c. Second one is the right answer. Next problem, integral 1 plus cos 4x by tan x minus cot x dx. Cos 2 theta equals 1 minus 2 sin square theta, or 2 cos square theta minus 1, or cos square theta minus sin square theta. 2 sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta. 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta. Here required 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta. 1 plus cos 4 theta equal to 2 cos square 2 theta. 2 cos square 2 theta. So now numerator is a 2 cos square 2 theta. So 2 into x, 2x by tan x. Tan x is sin x by cos x minus cot x, cos x by sin x. Numerator available in terms of cos. So we have to convert a tan and cot in terms of sin and cos. Now taking LCM, what is LCM? Sin x into cos x. So cos x how many times? Sin x. Sin x into sin x, tan square x minus how many times this one? Cos x times cos x into cos x, cos square x. Now dx. Integral 2 times of cos square 2x into sin x into cos x dx. Sin square x minus cos square x by sin x into cos x. It is available in the denominator. So this will take cos sin x by cos x, sin x into cos x by sin square minus cos square x. Sin square minus cos square x. Cos 2 theta equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sin square theta. Here denominator available sin square theta minus cos square theta. Now sin square minus cos square theta equal to minus cos 2 theta. Minus cos 2 theta, 2 into x. Here argument is x. I hope you are understanding. Here cos 2x one time cancelled. Integral cos 2x into now 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta dx multiplied by 2 divided by 2. Bring outside 1 by 2. Again 2 sin theta cos theta sin 2 theta sin 2 theta. Argument is 2 theta 2x. Here argument is 2x. 2 into theta, 2 into 2x 4x sin 4x dx. Now 1 by 2 into now integral sign is minus cos. Integral sin theta minus cos theta. Minus cos 4x by, your argument is 4x. So derivative of 4x, 4 plus c. So minus 1 by 8 cos 4x plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem, integral square root of x minus 1 by x plus 1 into dx by x square. Important substitution, square root of a minus x by a plus x. Now put x equal to a cos 2 theta. A cos 2 theta. A bring outside 1 minus cos 2 theta. 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta. Now x equal to a cos 2 theta. Bring outside a times of 1 plus cos 2 theta. What is 1 plus cos 2 theta? 2 cos square theta. This is important substitution. Now integral square root of, it is like a minus x by a plus x, or x minus a by x plus a, whatever. Bring outside minus. Simply bring outside x. 1 minus 1 by x by 1 plus 1 by x. Okay, here divided by x. So 1 minus 1 by x, 1 plus 1 by x, because the derivative of 1 by x, derivative of 1 by x equal to minus 1 by x square there. now into dx by x square. Now let 1 by x equals a, here a is 1, a minus x plus ax, a minus x by a plus x, here a is 1, so 1 cos 2 theta, cos 2 theta, 2 theta, 2 theta, no problem, whatever. 1 by x equal to cos 2 theta, derivative with respect to x, minus 1 by x square dx equal to 2 into minus 2 into sin 2 theta d theta, minus minus cancelled out. Now integral square root of 1 minus 1 by x equal to cos 2 theta by 1 plus cos 2 theta into dx by x square equal to 2 into sin 2 theta d theta. Integral square numerator is 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. 2 sin square theta, this one is 1 plus cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta into 2 sin 2 theta d theta. 2 cancelled out. Integral square root of sin theta, square root of cos theta into 2 sin theta into cos theta d theta. Sin 2 theta. What 2 sin theta? Sorry. Again 2 into 2 outside, bring outside. So sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Cos theta one time cancelled. Now 2 into 4. 4 times of integral sin into sin square theta d theta. It is not a linear. Yes or no? Sin square theta is not a linear. Cos 2 theta equals to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Now sin square theta equals to 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. What is the sin square theta? 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2. 4 times of integral 1 minus cos, it is the sin square theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta by 2 d theta. Now 4 by 2, that is a 2. 2 times of integral 1, what is integral 1? Theta. Now minus integral cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta by 2 plus c. What is it theta in terms of x? Okay. There is place here, they are available. Now 2 theta minus 2 cancelled, sin 2 theta plus c. In this case 1 by x equal to sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta cos 2 theta. Here 1 by x equal to cos 2 theta. Now 2 theta equal to cos inverse 1 by x minus sin 2 theta. Cos 2 theta తెలుసు కదండి, sin 2 theta ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయొచ్చు కదా. Now sin 2 theta equals square root of 1 minus cos square 2 theta. Square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta 1 by x, cos square 2 theta 1 by x square. Now square root of x square minus 1 by x. Square root of x square minus 1 by x. Now square root of x square minus 1 by x plus c. This is the final answer. Next problem. Integral ax square minus b by x into square root of c square x square minus of ax square plus b whole square. Then observe your ax square minus b available, your ax square plus b available. Bring outside x square. Integral x square times of a minus b by x square by x into square root of c square x square minus x square, bring outside, it is derivative of ax plus b. So bring x outside. Derivative of ax plus b by x equals a minus b by x square. Okay, bring x home. Now ax plus b by x whole square dx. Now bring x outside. This will be x square. Integral x square a minus b by x square by x square is a common thing in both the terms. So bring outside x square. It becomes x into x square, square root of c square minus ax plus b by x whole square dx. Whole square dx. X square cancel out. Can we observe derivative of ax plus b by x is a minus b by x square. Now let ax plus b by x be t. Derivative with respect to x, a 1 b is a constant. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square b by x square dx equals to dt. A minus b by x square dx equals to dt. Now integral dt by square root of c square minus this value in terms of t square. Now square root of 1 by a square minus x square. A square minus x square. What is the formula? Sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Integral 1 by square root of a square minus x square dx. 1 by a, right, sin inverse x by a. Sin inverse x by a. Now sin inverse x by a, x means here t by c plus c. What is the c in terms of x? Here c, here t in terms of x plus b by x by c plus c. This is the final answer. Now integral x plus 1 by x whole power 3 by 2 x square minus 1 by x square dx. Can we observe derivative of x plus 1 by x? Derivative of x1, derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Derivative of x minus 1 by x. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of 1 by x minus 1 by x square. Minus of minus plus 1 by x square. These were formulas, standard results. The derivative of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. Integral x plus 1 by x whole power 3 by 2. X square by x square 1 minus 1 by x square dx. Derivative of x plus 1 by x is 1 minus 1 by x square. So let x plus 1 by x be t. Now 1 minus 1 by x square dx equals dt. Integral this value in terms of t power 3 by 2. 1 minus 1 by x square dx dt. Now t power 3 by 2 plus 1, 5 by 2 by 5 by 2 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? X plus 1 by x whole power 5 by 2. In the denominator 5 by 2 there. So 2 by 5 plus c. This is the answer. Next problem, integral dx by 4th root of x minus 1 whole cube x plus 2 whole power 5. Can we observe options available? x plus 2 by x minus 1, x minus 1 by x plus 2, x minus 1 by x plus 1. Sorry, wrong one. X minus 1 by x plus 2. None of these. Integral dx by fourth root of this one. What is the fourth root of a? A power 1 by 4. Fourth root of a cube, a power 3 by 4. Now fourth root of x minus 1 whole cube, x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4. Now fourth root of x plus 2 whole power 5. Now x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4. Options available: x minus 1 by x plus 2, x minus 1 by x plus 2. So divided by integral dx by x minus 1 whole power 3 by 4 divided by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 into x plus 2 whole power 5 by 4 into x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 multiplied by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 divided by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4. We get x minus 1 by x plus 2. Now integral dx by this one is x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 3 by 4 into base are equal, power should be added, x plus 2 whole power 7 by 4. 5 by 4 plus 3 by 4, 7 by 4. Sorry, 5 plus 3 is 8 by 4. So 8 by 4, 2, x plus 2 whole square. We need to find the derivative of x minus 1 by x plus 2. Now y equals x minus 1 by x plus 2. Derivative with respect to x, dy by dx equals q by v square x plus 2 whole square x plus 2 into derivative of x minus 1, that is 1, minus x minus 1 into derivative of x plus 2, that is into 1. Now x minus x cancelled, 2 minus of minus 3, 3 by x plus 2 whole square, dy equals, dy equal to 3 by x plus 2 whole square, sorry, 3 by 2, 3 by x plus 2 whole square dx. So your denominator dx by x plus 2 whole square available. Now let x minus 1 by x plus 2 be d. Derivative with respect to x, 3 by x plus 2 whole square dx equal to dt. Now integral dx by x plus 2 whole square equal to dt by 3. 1 by 3 bring outside, dt by this value is t power 3 by 4, t power 3 by 4. Now 1 by 3 integral t power minus 3 by 4 dt. 1 by 3 times of t power minus 3 by 4, minus 3 by 4 plus 1, t power 1 by 4 by 1 by 4 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? X minus 1 by x plus 2. This one is 4 by 3, 4 by 1. In the denominator 1 by 4 available, it will take 4 by 1. 4 by 1 into 1 by 3. So that is 4 by 3. Okay, x minus 1 by x plus 2 whole power 1 by 4 plus c. This is the final answer. Which one is the right option? 4 by 3 x minus 1. Okay. Third one is the right option. Next one, if integral secant square x dx by tan power 101 x plus tan x equal to g of x plus z, where g of pi by 4 equal to minus of log 2 by 100, then limit x tends to pi by 2 g of x. 0, 1, minus 1, 2, 4 options there. First we need to calculate g of x. Now integral secant square x dx. In the denominator tan power 101x plus tan x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x. Now bring outside tan power 101x. This one is 1 plus tan x by tan power 101x. A by a power m by a power m minus 1. Now tan x by tan power 101x, tan power 1 minus 101, that is tan power minus 100x. Now let 1 plus tan power minus 100x be t. Derivative of constant is 0. Derivative of tan power 100x. Now minus 100 into tan power minus 100 into x equal to t. So minus 100 into x power n formula n into x power n minus 1. Now minus 100 into tan power minus 100 minus 1 minus 101x. Derivative of tan x is secant square x dx equal to dt. Now secant square available. Okay, this will be integral secant square x 1 by tan power 101x. Now in the numerator tan power minus 100x dx by 1 plus tan power minus 100x. Now integral secant square x dx tan power minus 101x equal to minus dt by 100 minus 1 by 100 dt by 1 plus tan power minus 100x is value t. Now minus 1 by 100 log t plus c. Minus 1 by 100 log t plus c. What is the t in terms of x? Now minus 1 by 100 t is 1 plus tan power minus 100x plus c. It is g of x. G of x plus c. So compare these two. Integral of this function in b equal to g of x plus c. What is g of x here? Now g of x equal to minus 1 by 100 1 plus tan power minus 100x plus this is g of x. Now what is the question? G of pi by 4 given. G of pi by 4 is minus. G of pi by 4 equals to minus log 2 by 100. Now G of pi by 4 equals to minus 1 by 100 into 1 plus tan pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 is 1 power minus 100 plus c. G of pi by 4 value is minus log 2. Minus log 2 by 100 equals minus log 2 by 100 equals log is missing, log of t. Now g of x equals minus 1 by 100 log of t. What's the t here? 1 plus tan power minus 100 x plus c. Now given g of pi by 4, g of pi by 4 equals minus 1 by 100 log of 1 plus tan inverse 100 x, x equal to pi by 4, tan pi by 4 1, so 1 power minus 100 plus c. Given g of pi by 4 equals minus log 2 by 100 equals minus 1 by 100 log of 1 plus 1 minus 1, sorry, 1 power minus 100. This will be 1 by 1 power 100. Now 1 by 1, what is 1 by 1? 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2, log 2 plus c. Here 100 cancelled, log 2 cancelled. Here minus 1 equal to minus 1 plus c. Now c equal to 0. The function c, the value of c constant, arbitrary figure is 0. Now question is limit x tends to pi by 2 g of x. Limit x tends to pi by 2 g of x. What is the function of g of x? Minus 1 by 100 log of 1 plus tan inverse limit x tends to pi by 2 g of x, or g of x minus 1 by 100 log of 1 plus tan power minus 100x. C is 0. Okay. Tan pi by 4 infinity. X equal to pi by 4. Tan pi by 4 infinity. So 1 plus infinity. So log 1 0. Minus 1 by 100 into 0. So finally answer is 0. So first one is the right option. This problem, integral x square minus 1 dx by x cube square root of 2x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Okay, those are available options, so 4 options there. This one is IIT 2006. Integral x square minus 1 by x cube square root of 2x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Now integral x square minus 1 dx by x cube into bring outside x square. So or x power 4, bring outside x power 4, square root of x power 4 x square, square root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4. Now in the denominator x power 5 available, x power 5, x square by x power 5, x square by x power 5, 1 by x cube minus 1 by x power 5 dx by square root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4. Can we observe derivative of denominator available in numerator? What is the derivative of constant? 0. Derivative of 1 by x square minus 1 by x cube, that is minus 2 by x cube. Derivative of 1 by x power 4 minus 4 by x power 5. Let 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 be t. Derivative with respect to x. Derivative of constant is 0. Minus 2 by x cube minus of minus 2 into 2 4, 4 by x cube. Next, this one is a minus 4 by x power 5 dx equal to dt. Clearly derivative of this one 0 minus 2 into 2 minus 2 into x power minus 2 plus x power minus 4. What is derivative? 0 minus of minus plus 4 into x power minus 3 minus 4 into x power minus 5. 4 being outside x cube, x power minus 3, 1 by x cube minus 1 by x power 5 minus of minus plus 4 opening outside 1 by x cube minus 1 by x power 5 dx equal to dt. So derivative of denominator available in the numerator. Best thing is under square root. This one available in under square root. This value be t square. Now 2t dt. 2t dt. Now 1 by x cube minus 1 by x power 4 dx equals 2 1s 2 2s t by 2 1 by 2 bring outside t dt by this one is square root of this value square root of this one is t square t cancelled out 1 by t n by 2 integral 1 dt, that is a t plus c. What is a t in terms of x? 1 by 2 into square root of 2 minus 2 by x square plus 1 by x power 4 plus c. Final one is 1 by 2. 1 by 2. Now square taking LCM x power 4, x power 5. 2x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 by square root of x power 4 is x square plus c 2x square. So square root of 2x power 4 minus 2x square plus 1 by 2x square plus which one is the right option? Fourth one is the right option. So this is the key point in this problem. Yeah, bring outside x power 4, that is x cube into x square x power 5 divided by this one 1 by x cube, this one 1 by x power 5. Derivative of this one available in the numerator. Next one, integral secant square x dx by secant x plus tan x whole power 9 by 2. This one IIT 2012. IIT 2012. Okay. In this case, in the numerator secant square x dx, in the denominator secant x plus tan x. Now let secant x plus tan x be t. Derivative with respect to x. Secant x derivative secant x tan x. Tan x derivative secant square x dx equals dt. Okay, bring outside secant x. Secant x is the common in both the terms. Now secant x times sum of tan x plus secant x dx equals dt. Now secant x into this one is a t. Secant x plus tan x equal t equal dx dt. Now secant x tan x secant x dx. Secant x dx equal to dt by t. Now secant x into secant x dx. Secant x dx equal dt by t. Dt by t by this value is t power 9 by 2. Now integral secant x dt by t into t power 9 by 2. T bases are equal, power should be added. Now t power 9 by 2 plus 1, 11 by 2. What is secant value in terms of t? We know that secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. A square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. Now secant theta plus tan theta into secant theta minus tan theta equals 1. If secant theta plus tan theta be k, then secant theta minus tan theta will be 1 by k. Standard result this one. Now secant theta plus tan theta is a t. secant x plus tan x equal to t. Now secant x minus tan x equal to 1 by t. We can find secant theta. Adding these two. 2 times of secant theta equal to t plus 1 by t. Now secant theta equal to 1 by 2. Secant theta means x. Argument x. Secant x. Secant x equal to 1 by 2 into t plus 1 by t is t power minus 1. What is the secant x in terms of t? 1 by 2 bring outside. This one is t plus t power minus 1 by t power 11 by 2 dt. Half into integral t by t power m by 2, a power m by a power n, a power m minus 1. So 1 minus 11 by 2, t power 1 minus 11 by 2. So minus 9 by 2 plus minus 1 minus 11 by 2 minus 13 by 2 dt. Now 1 by 2 integral t power minus 9 by 2. Now t power minus 9 by 2 plus 1 minus 7 by 2 by minus 7 by 2 plus t power minus 13 by 2. It means t power minus 13 by 2 plus 1 by minus 13 by 2 plus 1. Now t power minus 11 by 2 by minus 11 by 2 plus c. What is the t in terms of x? T equal to secant x plus tan x. Now 1 by 2 into minus 7 by 2. T is secant x plus tan x whole power minus 7 by 2 plus this one 1 by 2 into minus 11 by 2. So t, what is t here? Secant x plus tan x whole power minus 11 by 2 plus c. Okay, this is the final answer. Okay, this one 2 by 7, sorry. The denominator is 7 by 2, this one is 2 by 7. This one denominator is minus 7 by 2, so it will take 2 by 11, 2 cancel. So minus 1 by 7 secant x plus tan x whole power minus 7 by 2. Minus 1 by 11 into secant x plus tan x whole power minus 7 by 2 plus c. This is the final answer. Integration using by parts. Integral u into v dx. Here u is the first function, v is the second function. U into v. U into integral v dx minus of integral v dx derivative of u dx. First function into integral second function minus integral of integral second function into derivative of first function dx. Preferences of u. Preferences of u. I late. Where I is inverse. Here L is logarithmic. A algebraic. T trigonometric. E exponent. Preferences of u. This one type 1. Type 1 normal quotients. Normal quotients. like example, integral x square into e power x dx, integral x into log x dx. Which one is the first function, which one is the second function? Preferences of u, preferences of first function, isolate, inverse, there is no inverse, logarithmic, there is no logarithmic, algebraic, yes, x square is the algebraic. We take x square as the first function u. Here remaining function taken as the second function b, u into b. Next, second one example, integral x into log x dx. First, which one is the first function? Preference is the first function, isolate, inverse, there is inverse, logarithm case. Here we take log x as the first function u, remaining function taken as the second function b, u into b. Next, type 2, single functions. Single functions like integral log x dx, integral sin inverse x dx, integral tan inverse x dx. It is a single function. Log x, sin inverse x, tan inverse x. This type of functions are not directly integrable. What is integral sin inverse x? Not directly integrable. Integral tan inverse x, not directly integrable. So single functions like not directly integrable. Integral log x dx, integral sin inverse x dx, integral tan inverse x dx. మనకి డైరెక్ట్గా మనం ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. మన ఇంటిగ్రల్ లాగ్ ఎక్స్, ఇంటిగ్రల్ సైన్ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎక్స్, ఇంటిగ్రల్ tan inverse x. In this case into 1. Now integral 1 into log x dx, integral 1 into sin inverse x dx, integral 1 into tan inverse x dx. Here 1, we take 1 as the first function u. Here remaining function, that is log x. Remaining function is taken as the second function b, u into b, u into b. Here 1 is the first function sin inverse x. Remaining function is taken as the second function b. Now u into b. It is the single functions. Let's do type 3. Here type 3. Type 3, integral secant cube x dx. Examples, one example, second example, third example, one example, second example. Integral e power x into sin x dx, e power x into sin x dx. In this case, let integration of secant cube x dx be I. This is the procedure. Here let I equal to e power x sin x dx integral. One more example. Integral cos of 5 log x dx. In this case, cos of 5 log x dx, it's not directly integrable. In this case, integral 1 into, in this case, let I equal to integral cos of 5 log x dx. It is a procedure. Just memorize the type 1 model, direct questions, normal questions. Type 2 single functions, not directly differentiable. In this case 1 into log x, 1 into given function, 1 here we take 1 as the first function u, remaining function is taken as the second function b. In this case type 3, integral secant cube x into integral e power x sin x, integral e power ax cos x, e power ax sin bx. This type of problems, in this case I equal to some integral this is integration of this function b I equal to secant cube x dx. I అనుకుని మనం చేయవలసి వస్తుంది ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ like integral secant cube x, integral e power x sin x, or integral e power ax sin bx, integral e power ax cos bx, integral cos of pi log x, and so on. This type of problems ఏం చేయాలని మనం I equal to this function, this integral b I equal to మనం సాల్వ్ చేయవలసి వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ మెమరైజ్ దిస్ కాన్సెప్ట్. This base level questions applying UV method. Integral x into sin 4x, first one. We have to choose first function u and second function b. Out of these two, which one is the first function, which one is the second function? Preferences of first function. What preferences of first function? I late, I inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric, exponent. So I inverse, there is no inverse, logarithmic, there is no logarithmic, a algebraic there x. So we take x as the first function u, sin 4x taken as the second function b, u into v. So what is u into v formula? U into sin x into, sorry, u into x into integral sin 4x dx minus integral sin 4x dx derivative of u, derivative of x dx. Now x into integral sin 4x minus cos 4x by 4 minus, okay, integral sign is cos x minus 4x by derivative of 4x is 4, just minus of integral sin 4x minus of minus plus minus cos 4x by 4 derivative of x, that is 1 dx, minus x by 4, that is minus x cos 4x by 4, integral cos 4x, bring outside 1 by 4, it is a constant, integral cos x is sin x. Now sin 4x by derivative of 4x is 4 divided by 4 plus, see, this is the answer. This one, x into log x dx. Preferences of u, I late, inverse, there is no inverse, logarithmic. Yeah, log x taken as u function, the remaining function taken as the second function v, u into v. What's the formula? U into v, integral u into log x into integral v. What is integral v? X square by 2 minus of integral, now integral x is x square by 2, derivative of log x is 1 by x, derivative of u dx. Now x square by 2 log x minus x one time cancelled. Now 1 by 2 is the constant, bring outside. Integral x dx, that is x square by 2 plus c. Now x square by 2 log x minus x square by 4 plus c. This is the final answer. Integral sin inverse x dx, it is not directly integrable. Yes or no? Sin inverse x, what is integral sin inverse x? Sin inverse x is not directly integrable. In this case, integral 1 into sin inverse x dx. Sin inverse x taken as the first function u, this one is the second function b. What's the formula? U into, now sin inverse x into integral 1 dx x minus integral 1 dx x, derivative of sin inverse x 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx. Now x into sin inverse x minus, we know that integral f dash x by square root of f of x equal to root f of x. Integral f dash x by square root of f of x dx equal to 2 times of square root of f of x. What is the derivative of this one? What is the derivative of 1 minus x square minus 2x. Derivative of 1 minus x square is minus 2x. Now numerator available only x. So minus available. So minus 2x divided by 2. Plus 1 by 2 bring outside. Now this one is minus 2x by square root of 1 minus x square. What's the formula? Integral f dash x by square root of f of x equals to 2 root f of x plus c. Here f of x is 1 minus x square. Now 2 times of f of x, square root of f of x. What f of x? 1 minus x square plus c. 2 cancelled. Now x into sine inverse x plus square root of 1 minus x square plus c. This is the answer. Next problem, evaluate integral x minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. Now integral x by 1 minus cos x dx minus of integral sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. X by 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 1 minus cos 2 theta, 2 sin square theta, 1 minus cos theta, 2 sin square theta by 2. Now 2 sin square x by 2 dx minus integral here sin x is 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Here sin 2 theta, 2 sin theta, cos theta by 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2 dx. 2 cancel out, sin x by 2 one time cancel. Now integral x into bring outside 1 by 2 is a constant term, x into sin square x by 2, 1 by sin square x, 1 by sin theta cosecant theta. Now cosecant square x by 2 dx minus integral cot x sin by cos cot x by 2 dx. Now applying UV method, what is the preferences of u? ILH, inverse, logarithmic, algebraic case. Here we take x as the first function u, remaining function is taken as the second function v, u into v. Now 1 by 2 into UV method, u into integrate v, integrate cosecant square x by 2, integrate cosecant square x by 2 minus cot x by 2, integrate derivative of x by 2, what derivative of x by 2? 1 by 2, so divided by 1 by 2 minus integral cosecant square x by 2 minus cot x by 2 divided by 1 by 2. Next derivative of x is with respect to x 1. Now dx. Okay. Minus cot x by 2, integral minus cot x by 2 dx. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 cancelled out. So this one is minus x cot x by 2. Now 1 by 2 cancel, minus of minus plus integral cot x by 2 dx. This one minus integral cot x by 2 dx. One positive term, one negative term cancel out. Now answer is minus x cot x by 2 plus c. This is the answer. Next one, evaluate integral log x dx. It's a type 2 model, single function. It's not directly integrable. In this case, integral 1 into log x dx. 1 taken as the first function u. Here remaining function is taken as the second function v, u into v. Now u into 1 into, Yeah, log x is the second function u. This one is the first function u. U into log x into integral b, integral 1 dx, that is only x, minus integral 1 dx, x, derivative of u 1 by x dx. Now x log x minus integral 1 dx is x, or x times of log x minus 1. Type 2 model and already చెప్పాను సరే చూడండి. Type 2 model is a single functions. Single function. What is single function? Like log x dx, cos inverse x dx, tan inverse x dx. Those are single functions. In this case, 1 into log x, here 1 into cos inverse x, 1 into tan inverse x. Here log x is not directly integrable. So log x taken as the first function u. This one is the second function. First function u, second function v. Here tan inverse x taken as the first function u, one taken as the second function v. Okay, this is a model single function. How to identify single function? Ela identify chestam manam single functions ni. So it is not directly integrable. Such a function that not directly integrable. Next problem. If integral x power n log x dx equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 log x plus a into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square plus c, then a. So applying UV method. Now what are the preferences of u? I later. First inverse, next logarithmic. Here log x is the u, function u. Here it is a u function, this one is the v, function v. Preferences of u, I late, inverse, logarithmic u. So u into log x into integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus integral integral of integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 into derivative of u 1 by x, log x derivative is 1 by x dx. Now log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Your constant term is n plus 1, bring outside 1 by n plus 1 integral x power n plus 1 by x, that is x power n dx. Now log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 into integral x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Now log x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus of denominator n plus 1 in n plus 1, that is x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square plus c. Now compare these two. Log x into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus of a into x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square minus of x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 whole square. What is the value of a? Minus 1. Here a equal to minus 1. So fourth one is the right answer. Next problem, evaluate integral x square cos square x dx. Here cos square x is not a linear. Okay. Applying UV method. What is UV? Preferences of u, I late, inverse, logarithmic, algebraic. Yes. Here x square is taken as the first function u, remaining function is taken as the second function v, u into v. Now u into x square into integral cos square x dx minus of integral cos square x dx derivative of x square d by dx of x square dx u into integral v minus integral v dx into derivative of u dx. This is a formula. First, you need to calculate integral cos square x. Integral cos square x dx. It is not a linear. Cos square x is not a linear. So you have to convert into linear expression, linear equation. 2 cos square theta. What is cos 2 theta? Cos 2 theta equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta by 2. Integral dx. 1 by 2 integral 1 dx x. Integral cos sin 2x by 2 into 2 plus c. Integral cos 2x sin 2x by derivative of 2x is 2. 2 into 2, 4. Now this one is x square integral cos square x dx. Now 1 by x by 2 plus sin 2x by 4 minus of integral cos square x dx, that is x by 2 plus sin 2x by 4 into derivative of x square 2x dx. Now x power 3 by 2 plus x square into sin 2x by 4 minus of x 2x into x by 2 to cancel only x square minus plus integral 2 1 to 2 is 1 by 2 bring outside constant 1 by 2 integral x into sin 2x dx. X into sin 2x dx. Now this one is x cube by 2 plus x square sin 2x by 4 minus of integral x square dx. This one is x power 3 by 3. So minus 1 by 2 into applying UV method. Preference of u. What preference of u? I later. First one is algebraic, then trigonometric. So first algebraic u, this one v. U into x into integrate sin. So minus cos 2x by 2. So minus of minus plus cos 2x by 2. Integral v into derivative of x is 1 dx. Now x cube by 2, 3x cube by 3, take LCM 6, 2 3 is 3x square, 3 2 is 2x cube, 3x cube minus 2x cube, that is x cube by 6 plus x square sin 2x by 4, next minus of minus plus x by 4 into cos 2x. Now 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4 minus 1 by 4. Cos 2x integral is sin 2x by 2, that is 1 by 8. Let's see, this is the final answer. Next one, evaluate integral e power x into sin x dx. It is a type 3 model and type 3 model. Now what is the type 3? Integral e power x sin x dx. Integral e power ax cos bx dx. Integral secant cube x dx. Integral cos of 5 log x dx. Integral e power ax sin bx and so on. So the type 3 models. This type 3 model in this case, let integral e power x, let integration be integral e power x sin x dx equal to integral e power ax cos bx equal to and so on. ఈ మోడల్ మనం ఏమనుకోవాలండి, దిస్ ఫంక్షన్ బి ఐ అనుకొని చేస్తారు, ప్రాబ్లం ఈజీగా వస్తుంది. జస్ట్ మెమరైజ్ దిస్ వన్ e power x integral e power x sin x dx. Let this integration be I. This integration be I. E power x sin x, e power x cos bx, e power x sin bx, sin integral sin cube dx, integral cos of 5 log x dx. This type of problems మనం I అనుకొని చేస్తే ప్రాబ్లమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. Applying UV, preferences of U, I late, I inverse, L logarithmic, A algebraic, T trigonometry. So this one is U sin x is taken as the first function U, remaining function is taken as the second function B, U into B. Now I equal to integration I equal to U into sin x into integral B e power x minus of integral B e power x. Derivative of sign is cos x dx. Now I equal to sin x e power x into sin x minus of, again applying UV method, e power x into sin x. Preferences of U, I late T, first one cos x is taken as the first function U, remaining function is taken as the second function B. U into, what is U? Cos x into integral B, integral e power x is e power x minus integral e power x, derivative of U, cos x derivative minus of minus plus sin x minus sin x dx. I equal to e power x into sin x minus of, now e power x into cos x minus of minus plus, minus into plus minus integral e power x sin x dx. Here integral e power x sin x dx equal to I. This function same I plus C. Now minus I will take left hand side, I plus I 2I. 2I equal to e power x sin x minus e power x cos x plus C. Now finally I will be e power x sin x minus e power x cos x by 2. Let's see, this is the final answer. Or I equal to, bring outside e power x. Now e power x by 2 sin x minus cos x plus C. Next problem, evaluate integral sin of 3 log 5x dx. This integration be I equal to integral 1 into sin of 3 log of 5x dx. This term taken as the first function U. This one is the second term V. Now I equal to U into sin of 3 log of 5x integral V dx, integral 1 dx x minus integral V dx x, derivative of this one, derivative of U, derivative of sin x cos x, derivative of cos is, derivative of sin is cos of 3 log of 5x into derivative of 3 log, so 3 into derivative of log 5x, 1 by derivative of log x is 1 by x, 1 by 5x, derivative of 5x is 5 into 5 dx. Here 5 cancelled, x cancelled. Now I equal to x into sin of 3 log of 5x minus integral 3 times of cos of 3 log of 5x dx. Now I equal to x into sine of 3 log 5x minus 3 times of, again UV method, 1 into this one. This one be first function u, this one is the second function b. Cos of 3 log x 5x is taken as the first function u, 1 is taken as the second function b, u into v, 3 times of u. Cos of 3 log of 5x integral 1 dx, that is integral v dx x, minus integral derivative 1 integral v dx x, derivative of this one, what derivative of cos, minus of minus plus, minus sine of 3 log of 5x into derivative of 3 log of 5x, 3 into 1 by 5x, derivative of 5x is 5 dx. I equal to x into sine of 3 log of 5x minus 3x cos of 3 log of 5x, minus into plus minus, minus 5 cancelled, x cancelled.